Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make something I think is a really great sort of brunch appetizer, or if you just want like sort of a savory yogurt dish. This is roasted radishes with like a goat cheese and yogurt, Greek yogurt that's been whipped up with some lemon peel. And it's just a really nice savory dish that I think is fresh and just celebrates spring. And I think you're really going to enjoy it, but let me show you. So I'm using Easter radishes. I just like them because they're really colorful. In Easter radishes, you get purple ones, pink ones, white ones, just a whole variety of color. Just really, really nicely pops. We're gonna take our radishes and add just a little bit of olive oil, some salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, and then we're just gonna stir that until they're fully coated. Now we're just going to transfer the radishes to a baking sheet. And it's just really important to use a size baking sheet that you have a single layer. You don't want the radishes stacked on top of each other. So just kind of spread them all out. Okay, so I'm going to roast them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. And if you put them cut side down, you'll get a nice sear on them. Okay. So we roasted our radishes. Now we're gonna make the goat cheese and yogurt mixture. So I have a little bit of goat cheese here. I'm gonna add in my Greek yogurt. And I'm just gonna whisk that together just enough to combine it. It doesn't have to be overly done. It helps if you really let the goat cheese soften before you do this. If you pull it right out of the fridge, you're gonna have a hard time. You might have to use like a hand mixer. I'm just going to spread it out on the dish. I'm going to mix in a little bit of lemon peel. There we go, just swirl it around. And then we're going to add in our roasted radishes. And then just top it off with a little cracked pepper. I'm going to grab a fork and try it. Oh yeah. The radish is perfectly cooked, nice and tender, reduces that pepperiness, and the yogurt and the lemon give a nice little tang. Perfect little side dish for brunch. Sorry that my mouth is full while I'm talking. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every week. And if there's something you want to see, drop a comment below. I'll see you guys next time.